solve the following system of inequalities: 5x plus 3y less than 15, 3x minus y greater than 3. To start with, let's go ahead and rewrite these two inequalities so that they're in the form y less than or y greater than something. So let's take this first equation, or first inequality, and go ahead and subtract 5x from both sides. So we get 3y less than 15 minus 5x. And now let's go ahead and divide both sides by 3. So we get y less than 15 divided by 3 is 5, minus 5x divided by 3 is negative 5/3 x. Let's do a similar thing to this second inequality. Why don't we go ahead and take y, add it to both sides. That'll put it on the less than side of that inequality. Subtract 3 from both sides, so we get 3x minus 3. So these are the two inequalities that we'd like to graph. I've gone ahead and drawn a piece of a coordinate axis system for us to graph these things on. Let's go ahead and graph this first equation, or first inequality, sorry. 5 minus 5/3 x, so we have a y-intercept of 5 for our bounding line. Negative 5/3 slope, so for every 3 units over we go, we're going to go 5 units down. So we're going to go through that point. So let's go ahead and draw a dashed line. We're drawing a dashed line because we're not going to include these points because we have a less than and not a less than or equal to sign. I want y values that are smaller than that line, so I want the y values that are below this dashed line that we drew. So I want all these things down here. Let's go ahead and graph this second inequality. Let's draw our bounding line, 3x minus 3. This has a y-intercept at negative 3. So right there. Has a slope of 3, so for every 1 unit over, we're going to go 3 units up. 1 unit over, 3 units up. And again, I'm going to draw a dashed line because I don't want to include these points because it's a less than and not a less than or equal to. Again, I want y values that are less than this line, so I want to shade in my area that's underneath that line. I want both of these inequalities to be satisfied in order for to have a solution to my system. So I want the area that's common to both regions. So this area down here is going to be the solution to this system.